If you want to become a full stack developer in 2026, don't start coding yet. Because without a roadmap, you'll waste months. Most beginners jump between tutorials and end up quitting. Not because coding is hard,
but because they don't have a clear path.
coding is hard, but because they're lost. So here's the exact roadmap. Step by step. No confusion.
Start with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Build simple websites first. Don't rush this step. Your foundation decides your future. Then move to front end. Learn React and build real interfaces.
Focus on making your apps look clean and professional.
Now comes backend. Vivij, the brain of your application.
Learn Node.js, APIs, and how data flows in your app.
Next, understand databases like MongoDB or MySQL. Because without data, your app is incomplete. Now build real projects. This is your real resume.
Projects matter more than certificates.
Deploy your projects. Make them live on the internet. If it's not live, recruiters won't see it.
Follow this roadmap. 8 and your first job is closer than you think.